steel stacks is a remarkable achievement in blending yesterday with today by the creation of an arts and cultural campus on the site of the former Bethlehem steel plant. Opening in 2011, it was a recipient of a global award for its work in the redevelopment of one of the largest brownfields in the country. Unlike the reckless destruction of history with the demolition of the nearby Allentown Hospital, they left the past behind and preserved what was possible, as we'll see later on. Walking among the old machine shops is certainly a stroll through time, but none of it compares to the towering furnaces. The Bethlehem Steel Corporation was one of the world's largest steel-producing and shipbuilding companies, lasting from 1857 into 2003. Steel from this plant can be found in well-known places today, such as the Chrysler Building, the Empire State Building, Madison Square Garden, Rockefeller Center, and the Waldorf Astoria Hotel. It also played a major role in World War I and II with warships and military weapons. It started as an iron-making company in 1857, and by 1899, the owners founded the Bethlehem Steel Company. By the 1980s, rising labor and pension costs, among other things, led to bankruptcy in 2001 and its final dissolution in 2003. This place, once giving off a tremendous amount of heat, stands cold and quiet in both the winter snow and in time. It's a great sight to behold if you can get to this area. Today, what once was Bethlehem Steel is now known as the Steel Stacks, a 10-acre campus gracefully merging the past with the present while providing arts, culture, family events, community celebrations, and education to those that visit. It offers more than 1,000 concerts and 8 different festivals annually. Tours are available for those wanting to take a step back in time as well. Let's hope the brilliant work to preserve this area is an example to others as to what can be achieved beyond just the wrecking ball.